Pachi. My favorite part of Disney's Encanto movie is when Mirabel receives her gift at the end and opens the door, because she's constantly trying to be helpful, be needed, feel part of a community, feel like the rest of the madrigals that can do all sorts of magical things to help the people in the town. And at the end, when she receives it, it's amazing. Mirabel shows her resilience throughout the movie. Every time somebody does an amazing thing for the community from the Familia Madrigal, she feels like she too wants to do something. And for example, at the moment when they give her the gift of a basket for not receiving a gift, yes, she gets a little bit sad, but she keeps going. That's resilience, Colombian style. For me, for example, being able to write this book for Disney and its movie Encanto has been my gift. I've had a personal journey with cooking and books, but this book is very special to me. All of my family comes from very different places. A great-grandfather from Scotland, another from France, great-grandmother from Italy, and one from Colombia. So where I lived, I was part of the community, but not 100%. I made myself part of the community writing about Colombian food while living abroad. Now I want to leave that to my grandchildren, a book from a movie that they can show their children and cook from it anytime they want. It has 70 amazing recipes I created, and even a seasoning that I created for people who want to create their own seasoning and experiment with some natural, different kinds of spices that make up our Colombian heritage.